Ko piro te taiaha, te toto e atu, matara mai. Ngā iwi katoa tu, matara mai. Ngā iwi kato ia, ha ha. Whakamaua tō patu, ko piro te taiaha ki te toto e. Ka whawhai, ka mate, ka...
Ha, your breath. Ka, the ignited. So, the ignited breath. Ha, ka, ha. One and the same.
It was so clear on Christmas morning, but I am a dancer. I've been a dancer for a long time. I'm nearly 50, and I'm not necessarily going out to make a autobiographical work, but it's still me in the space, dancing after a long career, trying to kind of do stuff or a tone that I am interested in. Well, Atamira's been my family very much for the last 2-3 years. An encourager, a supporter of me, a whānau of players, friends old and new, and Māori, presenting our stories, our histories through the medium of dance. Kaha is Nancy Wijon on the poster. Kaha is lots of smalls presented as a whole. It's a way of life. It's based around the old ways. The bubbling and the creating of ideas amongst the company to show their artistry.
Atamira is an ancient platform in which we now express ourselves in a modern context.